Spices, today we are switching things up. We are going to be cooking in the crock pot. Yes, people still use crock pots. So I'm going to share with you one of my favorite holiday drinks. We are going to be making mulled wine. Mulled wine is perfect for any family gathering, especially around the Christmas season where you are going to a bunch of parties. I make this at my family gatherings and it's really easy to put together. So if you want to know how to make it, let's go spice things up. The first ingredient I am adding to my crock pot is 1 bottle of red wine. I usually like to use a cab, and of course you can always do 2 bottles and just double the recipe if you have a lot of family coming over. Next, I'm adding apple cider. I'm gonna add 1 cup of apple cider. Now, we usually use homemade apple cider, but this year I didn't make any. And the next ingredient we are adding is a 1/2 cup of brandy. You can do whatever kind of brandy you like. I'm just using the cheap stuff because that's all you need. And then we are going to do 2 tablespoons of sugar. We are using raw sugar, but you can use whatever kind of sugar you want. Next, we are going to add cloves. I'm just going to add 5 cloves to the pot. And then we are going to add 2 cinnamon sticks. Add them as well to the crock pot. And then cranberries, fresh cranberries. I'm gonna add really the whole bag because I love cranberries. And then we want to take 1 orange and you want to slice the ends off. And after you slice the ends off, you want to just take the ends and squeeze them right into the pot. And then after you squeeze those ends into the pot, then you're gonna slice up the orange and go ahead and put your orange slices right into the pot. Put your lid onto the crock pot and we are going to cook it on low for 2 hours. Now, the longer you keep it on, it's even better. And after 1 hour, you'll want to stir it just to make sure everything goes together. And then after 2 hours, it is done. And it is so delicious. Go ahead and just put it in a cup and serve it to your guests. Happy holidays, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any more questions, comment down below. Bye, and see you in the next video.